Let's solve bracket first. This will become 5 and 9. 45 divided by 45, we get 1, but that's incorrect. Let's see the correct way to solve this. Always remember, PEMDAS need to be solved in exactly this order, where multiplication and division have same priority and same goes for addition and subtraction. When both are given, solve from left to right. First solve for parenthesis. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 6, 45 divided by 5, 9. Now don't make the mistake of grouping the brackets together. Always write this like 5 into 9 and then follow this order of operation. Now we have division and multiplication. We'll solve it from left to right. 45 divided by 5 is 9 and 9 into 9 we get 81 as our correct answer. Thanks for watching.